Hey there, in this video I'll introduce an extension that I built in PyCoding Agent. It's called By the Way. You probably heard about this from Clockcode. By the Way allows you to ask a question without interrupting the main session agent while the main session agent is running. Let's actually show this because it's always better to understand things while giving an example. I have this feature request here. I created a to-do item out of this, and I will want the agent now to work on this. Okay, now the agent has started to working on this. It will read some files, understand things, right? And then it will start editing. I can ask any question with just /btw and my question. It's editing config.go. I might ask, why did you start with editing the config.go? I might be just started learning about software engineering, and this is a question that's asked. I asked specifically, right? What was the reason for that? And it answered. It's just a one-time question that we ask. And one more thing that I have to actually get your attention here, almost 100,000 of this input was cached. So meaning that we spent really less on this because most of the inputs are cached because of the main session's readings. And it does, let's actually show this another one more time. I will just enter and close that tab. And I can continue from my main session. I can ask steer some messages up or queue up, but it's now changing the changing the github.go. I'll ask actually, let me see. Okay, let's let it actually run. I mean, it's very convenient as you can see, and it's cheap as well because you're kind of benefiting from this caching that your main session has already gone through. And it's just convenient. Yeah, it's just fast and convenient. I'll make it ready. Let's show another example. But you get the idea, I think, already. Um, okay, so, all right, so this takes actual bit time here. Maybe I could have asked another thing. Wow, okay, yeah. I mean, now it's creating a file, I think, on the tracker, github.go. That took quite a lot. Okay, so what did you change exactly or write in github.go? I mean, I could have just opened an editor and look at this, but you can also ask very specific questions as well. So that's the point. We also have this like little nice pi sign that shows, and this is the model choice also is showing there as well. It asked like it just gave me like nice answer, like it is my a teacher or a tutor. I can just give any character to this as well by changing the system prompt. But there's no settings for that, just heads up. Okay, so that's actually pretty clear now so far. How does the by the way works? It just allows you to ask a one-time question, one go question that's given your main session. You can also change the model choice, right? You can just choose here and choose any model of your like. I'll stick with my Flash, DeepSeek V4 Flash. You can change the reasoning. You can just like off the reasoning, which is actually a smart move because probably your by the way doesn't really need that much thinking because it's just gonna answer given the session's history. But you can also like leave it minimal, right? And the output tokens, maximum output tokens that you can put out there, we can just change it to 1,000. I mean, there are options here for you. And that will conclude the video. Thank you very much for listening. And I will actually highly suggest you to go to my repository and add this to your, let's say, PyCoding agent extension. And it's very simple to add because it's only one file and there's no any packaging, any download that you have to do. And you have to either PyInstall or copy paste the file to your main or local extension folder. So that was it. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.